Let us begin with numericals based on an equation linear consumption function. We are continuing Unit 3, Lesson 1, Aggregate Demand, Aggregate Supply and related concepts. So equation goes this way. Linear consumption function equation gives us C is equal to C bar plus BY. C is consumption expenditure, which is to be given in rupees. C bar is nothing but autonomous consumption. This is consumption where income is zero. Means even if person is not earning, he is consuming for survival. That is known as autonomous consumption. At Y is equal to 0, whatever consumption, positive consumption is there, that is known as autonomous consumption. Plus B. B signifies MPC, marginal propensity to consume. We'll discuss this particular topic in the upcoming videos. Right now, you just understand B is nothing but marginal propensity to consume. Its value ranges between 0 and 1. Here in multiplication Y, you can see this Y is nothing but income, again given in rupees. So let us see this particular numerical and let us see whether you are able to understand what is given and what not. Calculate consumption if level of income is rupees 200, autonomous consumption is rupees 100 and B is equal to 0.8. I think you all must have understood. What you have to find? You have to find consumption, that is C we have to find. Level of income is rupees 200, means you are given Y. Autonomous consumption is given to you as 100, rupees 100. This is C bar, that is autonomous consumption. And B is directly given to you as 0.8. Let us see how it will be solved. C is X, C bar is 100, Y is 200 and B is 0.8. Linear consumption function equation is this one. C is equal to C bar plus BY. So place the values. C is equal to X, C bar is 100, Y is 200 multiplied by 0.8, that is B. Now to remove this decimal, it is in numerator. So you need to remove this particular decimal by placing 10 in the denominator. The number of digits which are after the decimal point, that many zeros are to be put in the denominator if the decimal number is in numerator. So on removing this particular point, you get 10 here. On cancellation, you get 8 into 20, that is 160. Now add these, you will get C is equal to rupees 260. Let us solve another numerical. Calculate income level. This time you have to calculate Y. If consumption is rupees 1000 crore, means C is given to you as 1000 crore. And this time they have given you linear consumption function equation. Means C bar is this one and this is your B. Y you have to find out. C is given to you as 1000. Let us see how it will get solved. It is given this way. C is given to you as 1000. C bar is given to you as 750. B is 0.5. Place all the known values in the equation. 1000 is equal to 750 plus 0.5 Y. Now transpose this 750 and minus it from 1000. You will get here 250. Now 0.5 is in multiplication with Y. So its transposition will be in the denominator. That is 0.5 in the denominator. Now decimal number is in denominator. So remove this particular decimal and place a 10 in the numerator. As it was in denominator, so we had to place 10 or its multiple in the numerator. Now this will give you Y. On cancellation you will get rupees 500 crore. If you have understood, you have to solve this sum. Calculate the income level if consumption is rupees 130 crore and consumption function is C is equal to 80 plus 0.5 Y. Please zoom this numerical. Solve this numerical and write your answer in the comment box.